everyone, my name is Sam Nussbaum and I'm a career and academic advisor at the SOJC. This video is going to highlight some ways to get started networking or building relationships. Check out the rest of our videos for more tips on LinkedIn and connecting with professionals in the field. Let's get started. So what does it mean to build your relationships and network, and how do you actually get started? Networking is the process of meeting with people to share information and develop social or professional contacts. Networking can seem intimidating, but at its core, it's about building genuine connections with people. The pyramid graphic on the right illustrates the idea that your network begins with the people closest to you, like your family and friends. These are the people who are most invested in your success and might be able to connect you with more people than you think. Maybe your friend's parent works for an organization you're really interested in, or maybe your uncle lives next door to someone who runs a small agency. But whatever the case may be, start thinking about your network in terms of who's closest to you and then work outwards from there. We're so fortunate to have amazing faculty members here at the SOJC, so be sure to connect with your professors and learn about their experiences. Many of our faculty members have extensive careers in the professional world and can give you some helpful guidance. Additionally, your peers are also an amazing network, so think about the people you work with in DECTV or the Daily Emerald, and your peers might be able to give you advice on things like classes they wish they would have taken to advance their skill sets, or internships they wish they would have applied to sooner. Finally, in that last category are the connections that need a little bit more time and attention to become beneficial to you. These people are likely somehow connected to the second tier of people in your network. Maybe your professor brought in a guest speaker, or some alumni returned for a panel in your student group. So you'll want to be proactive about reaching out to these people to start that connection. Most people are happy to help a friend of a friend, so these connections are essential as you seek to expand your network beyond those who are closest to you. The larger your network is, the more people who will be able to advocate for you. So now that we know who to reach out to, how do you actually get started? There are some relatively easy ways to start building your network, and you'll want to get started as soon as possible. It's always better to build your network before you need it. Some easy things that you can do to connect with people in the first two tiers of your network would be to attend office hours and chat with your professors about their background and your interest in what they study, or maybe even what they did before becoming a professor. Joining a student club is also a great way to connect with your peers and build your network. Your peers who are nearing graduation likely have great advice about how to get the most out of the SOJC or tips for how they conducted their own job or internship searches. To reach out to people in the third tier, you can start by creating a LinkedIn profile and using the tools to search for UO alum to see where our graduates go after leaving the SOJC. This is also a great way to stay in touch with some of the awesome guest speakers that come to your classes or that you meet at other events around campus. If you're not sure how to get started, make an appointment with an SOJC advisor and we can help you get the most out of your LinkedIn profile. In another video in this series, we'll go over some of the basics of what you need on a LinkedIn profile and some strategies to make connections. But for now, just get started. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you learned a little bit more about how to get started in your networking journey. If you have other questions, be sure to check out the rest of our video series and schedule an appointment with an SOJC advisor to learn more.